Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own radio station on your iPhone using Apple Music. Now, when we talk about creating a radio station within Apple Music, it's a little different from traditional radio. Instead of live broadcasts, these stations are personalized music streams that are automatically generated based on your music preferences. Here's how it works. Apple Music takes a song, artist, or genre you like, and uses algorithms to curate a continuous playlist of similar songs. It's an easy way to discover new music that fits your style without needing to manage a playlist yourself. To get started, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Then, search for a song, artist, or genre that you're in the mood for. Once you find something you like, tap on the More option, which appears as 3 dots next to the song or artist. From the menu that pops up, select Create Station. And just like that, Apple Music will create a custom radio station for you based on your selection, playing songs that are similar in style. You can also fine-tune the station as you listen. If a song plays that you really enjoy, you can like it to hear more of that style. If a song doesn't fit your taste, you can dislike it, and Apple Music will adjust the station accordingly. The more you interact with the station, the better it will tailor the music to your preferences. Your custom stations are automatically saved and can be accessed later from the Radio tab in the Apple Music app. So, whenever you're in the mood for a personalized music stream, your station is ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you create your own custom radio station on your iPhone. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.